Moi, mon caractère, ça a 50 ans de, de passage dans l'éducation, dans l'académie. Pour moi, c'est une période d'enrichissement. On est bien enrichi par moi-même, on apprend, mais en partageant. Quand on partage aux connaissances, aux sagesses, on sentit on grandit plus, ou une plus approfondie, et ou sentit qu'on peut plus développer. Mais maintenant, c'est l'occasion que Open University organise l'occasion de cet événement-là. Pour moi, c'est une reconnaissance pour quelque chose qui peut-être me donne à mon étudiant pendant toute l'année de 50 ans, toute une connaissance qui m'est là. Et moi, je me sens bien content, bien fier de mon pays, qui me vient là après 28 ans d'Afrique. Je viens là et je peux servir mes étudiants ici, je peux servir une institution académique et je faire une recherche, je peux continuer à donner l'assistance à nouveaux élèves pour capable apprendre la loi plus bien, plus pratique, avec beaucoup de, comment dire, de connaissances, pour être capable qu'un jour, quand je finis passe notre examen, je suis capable de prendre sa profession-là bien sérieux. Alors, comment tu allais là, the vote of thanks, Miss Pravina Kotwaru, India, c'est un de nos étudiants qui est top dans l'université en Wales. Et ici, il est top dans ça, Bar Council, Bar Examination. Alors, pour moi, c'est une fierté. Et alors, voilà comment nous comptons produire un élément pour capable aider nos pays un jour et amener la profession à la hauteur. Moi, je suis content d'enseigner et l'université est content qu'il me vienne enseigner. Les deux côtés, ça, les biens mutuels, ça. Alors, moi, je suis bien content, je suis bien fier. Peut-être, je dire comme ça, une occasion qui ne m'a pas à manquer, comme on a pour aider nos nouvelles générations, pour être capable de grandir, développer et build up de bonnes connaissances qu'ils étaient là. Alors, moi, je dis merci beaucoup. Je vais gagner cette occasion. Bon Dieu, donne-moi une occasion unique pour être capable de donner tout ce qui est là, avec beaucoup de grâce. Yeah. Comment?
Professor Turol has written Manual on Basics of Mauritian Laws. At times, we think of very complicated things which very few dare to read. But he changed subject to read and made something very simple, which I just hope I've mentioned himself by Professor Turol in his preface. Every citizen living in a civilized society needs to have a fair knowledge of the basic legal system in which he lives. And this is exactly what Professor Turol has offered to all Mauritians.
Today I will proudly say that if I have very humbly been able to achieve certain milestones in my life, very humbly been able to assume certain responsibilities at national level, Professor Ved Prakash Turol has an enormous contribution in my achievement. And today it is an opportunity for me to thank him for coming in my life in such a way that he has been, as I said and I repeated, a mentor and a guide, and has helped to shape the person that I am today. Whether good or bad, it's up to others to make the judgment, but if it's good, of course all praises to him, but if it's bad, it's all to me. But thank you, Professor Ved Prakash Turol, for everything that you have done for me, but also for all our friends, all our colleagues, all our students who have learned so much from you, whether you have taught them as an academic or you have taught them as a human being.
Professor Turol, 50 years service to the academia and the lot of the manual and basic commercial law of LEAC this opportunity which is aptly described by Henry Whitewell as lives of great men remain as that we can make our life serene, and when devoting, leave behind us footprint on the sand of time. On this note, I congratulate Professor Goral on the celebration of his 50 years service to the Academia and for writing a manual that will benefit every citizen of our country. I wish him my very best for a long and fruitful career as Professor of Law and remain always the fine intellectual and a respected role model for our younger generation.
When I met Professor Turbo, the first thing he said, "What can I do for you?" So this characterizes this person who is always ready to share. And today, as an evidence, he has written a manual which is donating to Open University, along with all the other books that he has treasured throughout his life. Working for 50 years, because an academic doesn't only teach, doesn't only end up in a classroom. An academic also has to shoulder a lot of administrative duties, to conduct research, to supervise students. And he has done it successfully. So we are proud that he is part of the Open University family.
Professor Goral will now give an exemplary of each book to the members of the top table, as well as Mr. Chandra and Mr. Rashad Rubino.